In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a Yahoo account. So let's try it out. The first thing is head over to yahoo.com. Once you will be there, you will see this kind of interface where you will see all of your mails which you receive from websites or from apps. From here, take a look on the right top, you can see your profile, and when you will take your mouse cursor here, you can see the option of manage your account. Click on it. Once you will click on that, now it's asking to create a new password, but I will not do it. So that's what I will click on. I will do this later. Now I got access to my managing account section, where I can manage each and single thing of my account. From here you have to select this option Privacy Control. Now this section belongs to Privacy Control. No need to do anything, just scroll down to the last. And here you can see the option of delete your Yahoo account. Click on it. Scroll down, if you want to read anything, read and click on the option Continue. To delete my account. And here you just have to enter your email address which you use for Yahoo. Once you will enter, click on the option Delete this account. After clicking on this option, your account will be deleted from Yahoo and that's it.